Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wi-Fi on your Kolin air conditioner. First, ensure your Kolin unit is powered on and ready. Next, download the official Kolin Smart Home application onto your smartphone. It's crucial to have your home Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and its corresponding password readily available before you begin the setup process. This preparation will make the connection smooth and efficient. Once the app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Then, tap on the Add Device option within the application. Carefully select your specific Kolin air conditioner model from the list provided. The app will then guide you through the steps to put your air conditioner into its special pairing mode, which is essential for establishing the connection. With your air conditioner in pairing mode, the app will display a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network from this list. It's very important to accurately enter your Wi-Fi password into the designated field. Double-check for any typos. Finally, confirm the connection, making sure your smartphone remains within a few feet of your air conditioner for optimal signal strength during this crucial step. After entering your details, patiently wait for the Kolin Smart Home app to confirm that your air conditioner has successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once confirmed, you can immediately test the connection by using the app to control various functions of your Kolin air conditioner, such as adjusting the temperature or fan speed. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of remote control from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.